All right, chase the ducks again. All right, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. We're back out again on another beautiful morning, about to go meet up with the boys. We got quite the agenda today. Ran into this dude on the Honda CVR 1000 RR. He was rolling with me for a little bit there. I wasn't recording much of it though, so you guys probably won't see that. But let me get up here, meet up with our boys Max and Brandon. Hopefully we'll actually get to check out the mods to Max's bike today that I talked about yesterday on the vlog. I bet you these dudes are already here. I think I'm like 5 minutes late. I'm supposed to be up here at 9. I live further out than anybody though. I'm way out in the burbs. Everybody else is like here in the city, or at least closer. Split right here. Whoop. Brandon's always early. All right. Shut her down. What's up? Let me get these AirPods out real quick.
Could have been better, perfect timing.
See here?
Yeah. I was like, how did you beat Max? And then I start taking.
What time is it?
It's 9:01. It's perfect fucking timing.
Dude, I was hauling ass. I was like, my GPS said I was gonna get here 9:07. Brandon threw the Primic vinyls on, looking like a race bike. Who said they needed gas?
Me?
No, somebody text that.
No, I got gas.
Oh, okay. Oh, you said you were getting gas before.
Oh yeah.
I got you. I just saw something about gas in the group message.
No, I'm good. I can
All right, chase the ducks again. As always. Ooh. Every time we say we're gonna ride chill, we always end up pushing it. Funny. Yeah, back there at the meat spot, we were all talking about how chilly it is this morning. We all underestimated the temps a little bit. It's only in like the mid 50s.
Bro, I greatly underestimated how cold it is. 100%. I was gonna wear.
I have a t-shirt on underneath us. Yeah.
This is a part.
Yeah, this is all mesh.
Right at the last minute.
But later on this afternoon it's going to heat up quite a bit, so we'll be fine by then. Get some of these leans in, homie. I think I'm riding a little faster than those guys wanted to roll. Slow it down a little bit. Anyways, we're gonna go hit this bike meet. I think we might hit a car meet after that, and then we're gonna roll up to the shop, do our normal thing, get some brunch, and watch the first MotoGP race of the season. I don't know if my viewers follow MotoGP. I never followed it before, but these guys really got me into it. I've watched all the shows on Amazon, the MotoGP Unlimited series, and then on the MotoGP YouTube channel, they have that series There Can Be Only One, which basically kind of covers and recaps all of last season. So I watched all of that, so now I know the riders and the different teams and kind of some of the drama and different things going on behind the scenes with the races, so that makes it a lot more entertaining for somebody like me to watch, just because I'm not like married to a brand or something like that. But it seems like it's going to be a pretty competitive season this season, so it should be a good time to watch. This coffee shop up here that they're hosting the Bikes and Coffee meet at, it's a little different than it's a different spot than we normally go to, so it's always cool changing up the locations and stuff. I think some of these guys think that's a little bit annoying just because we never know where to go. Like we were sitting there pulling up Instagram and stuff trying to figure out where the meet was today. Do you guys know how to get to this place?
Oh, where are we going?
It's called Lemon something. Go to the Instagram.
I don't want to see any race results.
Yeah, here, let me pull it up then.
It's right by the Toyota.
It's this. Lemon Coffee Co.
Lemon Coffee.
Oh, Lemma. I'm fucking saying lemon. I like changing up the locations. Makes them more entertaining for me, makes them more entertaining for the viewers on YouTube, I think. If you didn't see the video that I posted last week, hop over to the channel and check that one out. I think it's going to be called A Trip to Italy, A Ride with the Boys, and Trolled by a McLaren. So check that one out, and you'll see why I titled it that. Pretty fun day. Whee! I gotta fucking take a piss. And this chilly morning air ain't helping me hold it. That's for damn sure. Every morning when I wake up for these rides with these guys, I'm always tired. You know, every part of me wants to go ahead and sleep in, but I'm always super glad that I went ahead and came out. It's just one of those things, you just gotta do it. Once you get up, get out of the house, feel that nice morning air, smell the race fuel, hear the beautiful sounds that these machines make. There's nothing like it. And there's nothing like doing it with a bunch of dudes that you really enjoy being around. Before I bought this bike and started riding, I didn't even know these guys. And now these are some of my closest friends down here. Anybody that rides knows the bike and riding community is just, it's awesome. Yeah, this deal here is pretty far north. My brother actually lives up here in this area. One day I'm going to get him on a bike, I swear, I can't wait. He watches these videos, so I'm sure he'll get a kick out of me talking about it, but I've been trying to get him to trade in. He's got a 2013 FRS that's all tricked out. Used to be my vehicle, and I did quite a bit of modifications to it. And then I traded him for his 350Z at the time, and then I sold his 350Z and I ended up getting a Lexus RCF. But I've been trying to convince him to trade or sell his FRS and use the money from that to buy a bike. I actually found a guy on Facebook Marketplace that has a really clean, I think it's like a 2013 or 2015 Honda CBR 600, and the guy is willing to trade for exactly that type of vehicle. So I was heckling my brother and trying to stay on top of him to get him to go ahead and trade that thing in, see if the guy will swap for it. He's got other things going on in his life right now though. He's saving up for a house. Him and his girlfriend, they're doing very well, especially for a younger couple, real successful. So it's super cool to see. I'm really happy for him. we go. All right. Another good turnout. As the weather keeps getting nicer and nicer, these meets are going to keep getting bigger. Walk through real quick.
Let's see you that today.
Very diverse group of bikes that always comes out to these things. It's cool to see. Real cool to see. Uh-oh, Sarge brought out the Duval. All Ducati crew. All Ducati crew today. I gotta show you guys this bike real quick. This is a Husqvarna. I can't even remember what model it is, but this guy completely tricked this thing out. He was showing it to me a few weeks ago, or maybe like 6 to 8 weeks ago. But he customized all this himself. He actually made all this these different parts and stuff. I think he puts it in little bike shows. Sounds badass too. So anyways, I'm gonna shut the camera down, chill with these guys, run inside, take a piss, and I'll fire back up after we hop back on the bikes and roll out.